designed the first automobile. George Stephenson designed the first railway engine. Thomas Alva Edison designed the first electric bulb. Nikola Tesla designed the first electric motor. Wilhelm Röntgen discovered X-rays. The Wright brothers designed the first airplane and opened vistas for air travel.
I'm Sanjay Mehta, CEO of Maya Intelligence. I welcome you all at the launch of OneKey Agile BI Suite. Innovation is a key component of any strategy in any business. The companies which are innovating have always seen exponential growth. We have seen continuous movement in the technology, especially in the business intelligence space, as the technology has moved further and further, giving more and more innovative, intuitive, bringing more masses onto the BI platform. Innovation is one key to success. This year is going to be exciting for customers and partners with new wave of BI technologies unleashed by Maya. When we suggest something new and important is coming, it cannot be a casual statement or a casual commitment. We have put our passion, our investment, our energy, years of work to bring out OneKey Agile BI Suite.
You're simply the best.
OneKey has been deployed in industries as varied as manufacturing, courier, service, discrete process manufacturing, the retail and distributions, and across various functions within an organization.
With enhanced features and increased performance, but sticking to the OneKey basics of ease of use, ease of scalability, ease of deployment, OneKey Agile is targeted to revolutionize the business intelligence market. OneKey Agile comes with a comprehensive integrated offering of more than 15 modules, which can be deployed with a big bang as well as modular approach.
You're simply the best.
OneKey addressed the challenge at various such organizations in the form of providing the dashboards, KPIs, and various key informations to the business users on the click.
You're simply the best.
With extremely intuitive KPI framework based on real-time data, organizations will be able to plug negative variances before they get out of control. OneKey Agile also comes with a robust technology platform with standard drivers to connect to almost all RDBMS as well as DBMS platforms. For example, like you can connect to Oracle, SQL, DB2, Sybase, Access, Excel, including legacy platforms like a FoxPro or a Progress.
User interface of OneKey is similar to Office applications.
OneKey Agile is very simple to use.
We have trained all our partners for implementation so that they can be on their own.